I let the case dry out for a couple hours, and now we can install a brand new crystal. For this, I'm going to be using my crystal press. I've installed a set of dies that are close in size to the outside and inside edges of the crystal. The idea here is to use the press to slightly compress the crystal, temporarily reducing its circumference just enough so that it can fit inside the case. Now once the pressure is released, the crystal is going to expand slightly and create a nice firm fit against the inside of the case. Just like this.